Hi guys, this is the products that I use: elbow noodles, butter, ragu sauce, chicken broth. I have Colby Jack, Gouda cheese, and I have the cheddar jack, all shredded. And I started off with the chicken broth and water. I seasoned the water also, and I added in the noodles. Then I drained the noodles, added the butter, added the ragu sauce, and just stir that, put in a couple more seasonings. And then I layer it. I layer all the cheeses. And then I added the cheddar jack on top. And then I put it in the oven at 350 degrees for like 40 minutes. And then voila. Nice, gooey, not too stiff and not too saucy. So let me know how this went for you and comment down below. Bye.